Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your device allows Instagram to access location. Without that, live location won't work. Once done, open Instagram and sign into the account you intend to use. This ensures permissions and profile settings are correct. Now tap the plus icon, swipe to live mode, and let the camera initialize. You're already in live mode. Keep an eye on the small location indicator. If prompted, grant any in-app location permission, so Instagram can attach location data to your live session. Next, you add the actual live location so viewers can see where you are. Tap the location sticker or the add location control in the live interface. Instagram offers nearby places and a current location option. Use current location for best GPS accuracy versus selecting a generic place. This helps followers recognize your real-time spot. Once you pick a location, preview how it appears on screen and make adjustments if needed. Verifying now prevents incorrect pins during the broadcast. When the location tag looks correct, press go live and start your broadcast. Announce the location verbally so viewers know it's intentional. While streaming, keep an eye on the on-screen location tag and comments that may note any mismatch. If the pin drifts, explain your adjusting settings. If location doesn't attach, stop the stream, toggle Instagram location permission off then on, or restart the app or device. That refresh often fixes GPS and permission glitches, so you can restart reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.